In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple users to Calendly quickly and efficiently. Whether you're looking to coordinate schedules within your team or streamline the appointment setting process for your organization, managing multiple users on Calendly can make a significant difference in simplifying that journey. First, let's get started by heading over to Calendly's website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Calendly URL. Once you're there, the next step is to log in to your account. Now, if you're new to Calendly, you can create an account, but today's focus is on adding users. So let's presume you already have an account. Click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials, and then proceed to your account's homepage. This is essentially your dashboard, your control center for managing meetings and user access. Once you're in the homepage of Calendly, you're going to want to navigate to the key section for adding users. This will usually be under your account settings. Look toward the side or top navigation bar and locate the Invite User option. Click on it to begin inviting users to your Calendly account. This leads you to the main interface where you can manage all user invitations seamlessly. Now, you'll see an option to invite team members. This is where you can add the email addresses of the new users you wish to include. You can either enter them manually or copy and paste from your lists. A useful tip here is to have your user emails ready beforehand, so you don't spend too much time flipping through different documents or spreadsheets. As you type in each email, Calendly will format it appropriately, facilitating smooth input of multiple addresses. After inputting your team members' emails, the final step is to send off the invitation. Look for the Send Invite button. This is usually prominently displayed once you've entered the emails. Click that button to dispatch the invitations to your team members and wait for them to accept. Once they receive and accept, they'll be added to your Calendly account and can start managing or scheduling appointments as needed according to the permissions you set. And there you have it. You've now learned how to efficiently add multiple users to Calendly, enabling your team to manage appointments with ease and professionalism. By streamlining user addition, you ensure everyone stays coordinated, meetings are seamlessly booked, and your organization runs more smoothly. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one.